Hi everybody, today we're going to be featuring our BY ALEGORY 28 space lip gloss tower organizer, as well as our 28 space BY ALEGORY lipstick tower organizer. For those of you who are unfamiliar with us, all of our organizers do come in our black matte packaging. Every organizer does come wrapped in a foam protective sleeve. That way it keeps it from getting scratched or damaged in transit. All of our organizers are made of true high quality crystalline acrylic. As you can see, it is one solid piece like all of our organizers. There are no glued together pieces, so it will never come apart. It is built to last. There are no sharp edges. And as you can see, it is very clear, almost resembles glass-like, where you can see right through it. So that way when you get that packaging, you can see exactly what you have. Also, it doesn't have any yellow tinge to it like sometimes you do see in other organizers. And you can tell the weight of it. It is that one solid piece, that it is that high quality acrylic, so it's not flimsy. It is made, again, to last and does have substantial weight to it. Now right here, we have our lip gloss organizer, 28 space. We designed these exactly the same, so that way in case you do buy the set which it comes in, you get one lip gloss organizer and one lipstick organizer. And we designed them exactly the same, so that way you can actually put them together and stack them. They do fit perfectly. And also, not only does we design them both that they can stand, they can also lay flat. So that way you can put it on your vanity, in a drawer. And it also, when it stands up, the back is completely flat for both organizers. So that way you can put it right up against a wall, in your vanity. Or again, like I had stated, they do stack perfect. So that way if you do get a lip gloss and a lipstick together, you can stack them. And it doesn't have to be where the stand is on the same side. They will also stack the other way too, where the stand is the opposite side. So this is our BY ALEGORY lipstick organizer, and this is our BY ALEGORY lip gloss organizer. Exactly the same height. They are exactly the same shape and design. But the difference is between the two is your liquid lipsticks will fit perfectly in this, whereas if you were to put it in here, the lipstick, it will fit, but we just have that extra depth. That way it fits them more comfortably. And that way it does hold your mascaras. And you can see next to each other. How the lip gloss just has that extra depth to it. Now just to show you what goes in these organizers, this lipstick will start off with that. Does hold a variety of lipsticks from any shapes to, we have MAC down here. It does hold Sephora. It holds the larger base lipsticks as well, such as the square YSL. Those fit perfectly. It also holds the KVD studded lipsticks. We have another Laura Mercier here. Burberry fits, and also what fits in here is liquid eyeshadow. So that will also fit in this as well. So not only will it hold, again, your standard size lipsticks such as MAC, Sephora, Bite, Maybelline, L'Oreal, ColourPop, it will also fit the large base lipsticks like YSL, KVD Beauty, Marc Jacobs, Burberry, and as well as liquid eyeshadows. That will also fit in this organizer. Now, for our lip gloss organizer, it will fit anything from your liquid lipsticks, from Too Faced to Anastasia. We also have some Sephora in here. We also have Hourglass, but not only will it hold liquid lipsticks, we actually have rollerball perfumes that fit in there perfectly as well. And another thing it also fits is your mascaras. Anything, different shapes. Here we have a Buxom, we have a Marc Jacobs one that is thicker. That will also fit. So not only, maybe you don't have a whole lot of lip gloss, liquid lipsticks to fit in this, it'll also hold your rollerball perfumes your mascaras. And another great thing that it holds too, it will hold makeup brushes. Now when you do store your makeup brushes, you definitely want to put them down, lay the organizer down flat so that way it can stand better. And here we have two makeup brushes in one slot. For reference, this is a F20 Sigma brush, and that does fit with room to spare. Another great thing that we can fit in this are liners and lip liners. So your eyeliners and lip liners will fit in this organizer as well. And we have about 5 in there now with room. So right now we have, for reference, 6 eye and lip liners from MAC that fit in one slot. So again, not only will it hold your liquid lipsticks, your glosses, it will hold many different shapes and sizes for lip glosses, many different shapes and sizes for your rollerball perfumes. So that's also a great thing that you can store in that organizer. So it's very versatile. That way you don't have to just put your liquid lipsticks and glosses in there. Now you can buy this in clear as a single set. You can also buy it as a 2-pack option, which will give you 2 and provide you with extra savings, which again, they do stack together, which I'll show you again. So this is our lipstick, 28 space, and this is the 2-pack. So you would get 2 of these. Each will be wrapped in its own black matte packaging. Each organizer will come in a protective foam sleeve. And you can stand them up. You can lay them flat. They will fit in drawers. Any standard size bathroom drawer it will fit in, as well as, for instance, an IKEA Alex drawer. You can lay them flat, or we've designed it so that way you can also stack them on top. And you can just keep stacking them if you have a few of them. And because the back is flat, you can put it right up against the side of your vanity, a desk, a dresser, or in your bathroom. And you can stack them opposite sides with the stand, or you can put the stands together. It will fit. So again, this is our 28 space lipstick organizer tower. It comes in clear in a single. You can buy it in a 2-pack, which will provide you with extra savings. Or if you're looking for something to organize your liquid lipsticks, glosses, rollerball perfumes, mascara, makeup brushes, you can also pick it up as a set where you get, with our lip gloss 28 space tower, where you get one lipstick organizer and one lip gloss organizer as a set, and these 2 will also stack. Now, if you just wanted the single lip gloss, you can buy the single clear, or you can buy it as a 2-pack, which will also provide you extra savings as well. And a great way to find out if it's one of our authentic BY ALEGORY organizers is each of our organizers, somewhere on them, on the bottom, will have our name engraved on the very bottom. So that way you know the quality you're getting and that you know it's authentic BY ALEGORY organizer. And all of our organizers are designed here and shipped in the US. So that way you can get it for prime shipping. You can get that 2-day shipping, that next day shipping, or depending on your area, you can get that same day shipping as well. So again, this is our 28 space BY ALEGORY lipstick organizer. And this is our 28 space BY ALEGORY lip gloss organizer. You can buy them each as a single. You can buy them each as a 2-pack to provide extra savings, or you can buy them together as a set where you get one clear 28 space BY ALEGORY lipstick organizer, and you get one 28 space clear BY ALEGORY lip gloss organizer. And again, all of our organizers do come in this black matte packaging, which is great for gifts. And each organizer is covered and shipped in the protective foam sleeve to keep it from getting scratched or damaged in transit. And again, don't forget to follow us on Amazon, amazon.com/By Alegory. That's BYALEGORY.com. And again, when you reach that website, there's going to be in the upper left-hand corner a rectangular button that says follow with a plus sign next to it. Just click that. You could also follow us at By Alegory. That's at BYALEGORY. That way you're up to date on all restocks, new products, new packs and combos. We do offer a wide range of organizers and lipstick caps that you might have seen here. For instance, our MAC lipstick cap. We do offer a variety of caps. So again, that's amazon.com/By Alegory. And again, this is our 28 space By Alegory lipstick organizer and our 28 space By Alegory lip gloss organizer. Thank you for watching.